Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, mushroom enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to identify turkey tail mushrooms, a common and beautiful fungus. You'll often find them growing in fan-shaped, overlapping clusters on dead wood. Look for their striking, velvety caps, which feature many concentric rings of varying colors like browns, grays, and even some blues. The very edge of the cap usually remains a lighter, creamy white. The most critical step in identifying a true turkey tail is examining its underside. Gently flip the mushroom over. You should see a white or slightly off-white surface covered in tiny, visible pores. These pores are very small, often 3 to 8 per millimeter, making the underside feel like fine sandpaper. If the underside is completely smooth or has gills or teeth, it is not a true turkey tail. Turkey tail mushrooms are quite common and can be found globally, particularly in hardwood forests. They are decomposers, meaning they grow on dead or decaying hardwood logs, stumps, and branches. You'll often spot them in beautiful, tiered layers or rosettes, sometimes covering an entire log. While they can be found year-round, they are especially prevalent during the wetter seasons, making them a rewarding find for foragers. Several mushrooms can resemble turkey tail, so knowing the differences is key. The most common imposter, false turkey tail, has a smooth underside, often yellow or tan, lacking any pores. Other lookalikes might have gills or tooth-like structures instead of pores. Remember, true turkey tail is thin and flexible, not thick or rigid. Always confirm the tiny pores and the velvety, multi-banded top for a confident identification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.